yung liso ng aragula, ano? Kumuto grewit lang doon. Pisa, hindi na rin, pisa.
Good morning, Philippines!
3 o'clock in the morning. Bumangon ako kasi sabi ko, mag-edit nga ako. So, nag-edit ako ng video. Tulog si Tami. Tika muna. Hi guys, good morning. Yung bangs ko is tumayo patungong silangan at kanluran. Si Tami bumangon siya yung 6:30 bumangon siya yung ng mga alaga namin. Nagpakain kasi hindi ako nakabalik sa kama. Siya na yung natutulog dito. Kakain lang din ako guys, mag-coffee, ganon. Hindi ako nakaligo kahapon. Na kagabi, bago kami natulog, ang ginawa namin, nag-half bath. Si Tami nag-shower. Ako nag-half bath lang ako guys. Ay, sabi ko, wag na. Ginawa ko, Lord. Ginawa. Sabi ko, wag na. So, nag-half bath ako. Si Tami naligo sa taas. Sabi ko, saan si Tami? Naligo pala kagabi. Kailangan nang ikat yung grass guys. Yep. Green na. Anyway, coffee lang kami. And, maglinis ako today dito sa loob. And, magpa-plant ng pichay. Yan. guys, I'm telling Tami, my bangs, to the north, to the east, to the west, to the south. It's everywhere. What do you think of my bangs?
It looks good side to side.
This is our morning. I'm dancing time. Honey is really sharpie. It's very pointy.
You go on the camera.
She flex, you don't have any space. I don't know.
I don't know, she's just strange. The cats.
No, but then
They're
We
all
have their
happy.
own.
They ate, they ran around, now they're on the window watching the birds.
you don't drink your water. I still see that.
Look at that video though.
Oh, yeah, look how much you drink. Very little. Oh, goodness, look at me. Oh, from here to here. Good thing that's what you should do, honey. That's what you should do. It's good for your intestine to clear up.
Doesn't need to clear up.
Tami's intestine is from here to the Philippines. It's so long. They said the intestine is very long.
A mile.
Oh my God, really? I have a mile-sized intestine in my stomach?
That's your small intestine, and you got your large intestine.
How many miles?
No, the large intestine is not that long.
Honey, are you sure, honey?
Yeah.
So I have a really
Mile.
long intestine over
A
there?
mile.
What is a mile, hon? Can you just give me a size?
A mile is from here down to the post office.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. That's why it's heavy.
Only heavy when it fills up with crap.
So that's really tiny, hon, then.
Hmm?
That's really tiny, then. Guys, look at this. Guys, parang lalaki. Parang lalaki ba? Flip-top, flip-top, du-du-du-du, flip-top, flip-top, du-du-du-du, du-du-du. Every time maglakad yung lalaki na ganito yung buhok, ganun. Love, bounce pa more. Honey, bouncy. He's playing with his dog. Oi, how you doing, baby? How are you doing early in the morning? Okay, I'm gonna make a bread, and now I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook egg.
I don't want egg.
What do you want?
I want leftover now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hala, Han, look at this camera, Han. It's wobbly, Han. Oh my God. We have one burger left. You eat that.
I can cook more burgers in a minute. They're in there.
Oh yeah, we have too many. Don't forget that we're gonna get freezer burnt. You know? Oh, we have a nice chicken. And this chicken is so good. Good. Oh, we have banana bread. Do you want? When is this expired? You know, oh, it's me, so I cannot eat that yet.
Why?
Because I ate egg yesterday. I only ate egg really fast when it's going to expire. Like, exercise, Han. Guys, I will tell you a story, guys. This is such a cute story. Remember when we do exercise, they do like this, like the legs is here and the legs is the back, and you have to do like this. Do you know what Tommy does when he starts doing this? He will flying. You know what? Tommy is the cutest. When he does something like exercise, when you look at him, he is the cutest exerciser. It makes you happy. He's so he's so cute. I wanna smush him like, oh, you're so cute like a baby. How do you all like that? You're so cute. But when I see you doing that, honey, like this, honey, exercise like this, you know what I saw? Thomas, honey. Because when he do move, he is like, you want like up to left leg. Oh my God, I see Thomas movement on you. That's all. Han, you can lower it down a little bit. And I'm done. And nagutom ako. And pagkatapos nito, mamaya na ako maligo. Palagi na ako mamaya, di ba? I took my meds. Gutom ako. Napagod ako sa kaka-vacuum ng bahay. Punta ako sa labas. Ano lang ako mag-plant ng tawag nito. Ano ba yung ipa-plant ko, guys? Bok choy. Bok choy pala. Okay, guys. Mag-ano ng seedling.
What you should do is like row.
Oh, this is nice. There is a ziploc for this.
You get 6 of 1, 6 of 1, 6 of 1. So you label the row, what's what in the row. Like this row is all lettuce, whatever you plant.
Bok choy, I can tell. It's really
Yeah, they can't tell when it's just a seed.
okay, don't pour now water. It's gonna drown. You know that.
No,
This is wet.
It'll go down.
No, everything is wet.
How many seeds you putting in each one?
Han, this is seedling. Okay, it's okay if there is few in there.
It'll go down like that, yeah.
No.
No, but I'm saying go down the row like that. So
I
you
know.
each row. Well, I figure you cover them after the seeds are in there.
Yeah, but you don't cover it like cover your beard stuff.
You're not gonna be able to plant much in this.
Han, this is because this is. That's why I need to get a pot for this because this is seedling only.
$74 days to harvest.
Okay, can you look online? Can you look in the back first of that? Read it.
Full sun, 1/4 inch deep,
Spring cold.
2 to 3 feet apart.
Cold. Hold on. Is it cold? Hi guys, dito na naman tayo sa labas. Mag-ano lang tayo guys, ito yung gagamitin ko. Na ang itanim ko dito is arugula kasi gusto ni Tami yung arugula. So tanim tayo ng arugula. Magbutas lang tayo guys.
Oh, we should order the food now because you make it.
Pero gagawa tayo ng butas. Butasan natin para makalabas yung tubig. Kailangan naming magdagdag.
You always have access to, you don't know.
Ganito pala yung liso ng arugula, ano?
Never know. That's the mentality.
Yun, and then so guys, meron na ako ditong cucumber. I-transfer ko lang yan. Andito is celery. Ipang-transfer ko lang ito sila. And yun, meron na sila dito. And meron akong nagawa dito guys. Tignan nyo guys. Wala pa yung laman. Pero dito, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ito. So, yung andito is, ano yan? Arugula, celery. Yan. And then, yung dito din, nagtanim na ako dito. Hopefully guys, matumutubo. Yung celery ni Tami, tinanim ko na doon, oh. Yan. Horseradish ito dito. And then, different kind of lettuce over here. So, yan. Oh, I forgot to put that. Okay. Ang dito guys is ano, tinanim ko. Ano tong dito? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Lettuce din ito. Kakaiba. Iba-iba kasi yung lettuce na nabili ni Tami. Kailangan ko itong ano, lagyan ng tubig. Ito siya para makahigop ng sabaw. Charot. You watching what doing, Mama doing? You confused, right? Ito yung ginagamit ko na hose, guys. Bread, baby. What? Datil. Tinalilal. Ang ikog naghitay. Ang ikog kug. Katulugon mo na. Oy, she's tired, han. Dada said you're different. What's going
She
on?
doesn't have anywhere near the energy level she usually has.
Look at it. What's wrong? Why you don't feel doing any play?
When I go out in the yard early, she just sit there. I walk out there with her. Usually she's jumping all over. She just sits there.
What's the problem? What is the problem, baby? Are you okay? Ilagay ko lang tong mga perfume doon sa... You know, I have perfume too, but I never really use it. I'm just gonna display it. For display, guys.
She blocks nipples.
Are you okay? That's a perfume, Grandma. Yeah, Grandma. That's Grandma. Oh, you remember the Grandma mo na? Oy, it smell like Grandma? We're gonna eat fish tonight. Come here. Because Tammy like Catalta fish. Catalta fish.
No.
Jacket Sanan, Catalta fish.
Gefilte fish?
Gefilte fish.
I don't eat gefilte fish. Where do you get that from? When did you ever see me eat gefilte fish?
Because you said, can we go to Asian restaurant and get Catalta fish?
What?
Catalta fish.
You're a filthy fish.
Filthy. Kumutog na yung itlog doon.
Gefilte fish.
Pisa, din na ron, pisa.
I've never in my life even tasted gefilte fish.
Pisa, din na ron. Ako na, tugmukon ka ron. Pisa, din na ron.
I've never even tasted it.
Gusto ni mo ron? Gusto?
I don't know. I like it or don't like it. I've never had it.
What kind of fish is that?
I don't know. I've never had it.
Catalta fish?
Gefilte fish.
Huh?
You find it in jars for during like Passover and stuff.
Yeah, I need to blow dry my hair. And my bangs now is gonna go to the south and north. Mag-ano na ako guys kasi itong ano ko guys. So, mag-ano tayo. Kailangan kong mag-spray pa lang. Where is the spray? Paduol ko nga kayo kasi ang layo hindi nyo ako madunog. Sabi ko kay Tami, Han, we need to add more space for my batong, for my cucumber, for my okra, you know, it grow deeper. Yung ugat ba? So sabi niya, you have to grow fresh this. Sabi ko, patay na yun. Matagal na mag-winter na naman, wala pa tayong okra nito. Maglawoy pa naman ako. Ang sarap parang maglawoy dito. Hi guys. So, ngayon guys, ano tayo guys? Ano tayo? Gumawa si Tami ng salad, look. Nagsalad-salad kami. So, yan. Ito yung gulay niya. Kasi gusto. Ako ayaw ko talaga. I mean, hindi ako mahilig sa salad. Hindi talaga ako mahilig. And yun. Nagluto tayo ng salmon lock. Yun. Binake ko siya na 400 degree. And then ngayon, kasi luto na siya, ang ginawa ko is, broil para naman mag-crunchy and mag-brown siya sa ibabaw. Yun lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look. Isa lang yung niluto ko, guys, kasi sabi ni Tammy, isa lang daw. So, face mask. Ito yung face mask na nagawa ko, guys. Look. So, ito siya. Okay pa rin siya. Naka-sticky pa rin siya. Andun pa rin. Yan. And, yan. Hindi naman siya sira. Kailangan lang kaunting dito na lugar para hindi siya sa mukha. So, yan lang, guys. And, makakain kami mamaya pagkatapos ng kailangan ko lang bantayan yung salmon bago masira. Kasi pag masira, yan, patay. Hi, guys. Nakalimutan kong i-end yung vlog ko kahapon. Anyway, nakalimutan ko. So, i-end ko na siya. I-end natin siya, guys. And yun, pasensya na nakatulog kami. Nanonood kami ng video, movie kagabi. Kaya, pinanood namin is yung sa, tawag nito yung Amazon Prime yung pinapanood namin. Kaya yun. And then, nakatulog na din kami. And yun. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching sa vlog natin kahapon. And yun, i-end natin today. Yung maaga ako bumangon. So yun, good morning. Good morning. Goodbye pala. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.